Hi, my name is Akasdim Mohabatro and I am a final year mechanical engineering student, and this is a IoT with backend project at the same time. And in the IoT side you can learn how to control ESP microcontrollers with GPS module and many more things, and in the backend side you can learn how to use CDN with JavaScript and how to create a local area network, how to manage real-time user access data with a local area network through a server, how to manage servers, and little much JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Okay, I think you already know this type of things. And how I get this actually, I have many microcontrollers like Adreno, like ESP8266, and in the market name is Node MCU, and ESP32, and I can buy a GPS module through robo.in, and it's not a sponsored video. Okay, from robo.in, and I don't believe any website, and so that I just I just check this module is works properly or not. And the antenna, this is a GPS module antenna, it's pretty much expensive as a student, so I can put into our original packet. Okay, I also have Raspberry Pis, and there was also a Adreno Nano. I have two of this. Okay, so I just check this GPS module is works fine or not, and I uh, sit down for coding with C++ with platformio. I not using Arduino IDE. I love to do any computer related thing in VS Code, so I can use platform.io. It's a pretty much good thing for advanced works, and you can manage every single things. Okay, like something like that. So I just check, I just sit down to check this module, and I forget to stop, so that I and a video randomly come to my feed. How I get this idea to build this thing, I tell the story. Okay, it's a short story behind the project, and the video is from the YouTube channel called Serian's Coding. And in this YouTube channel there was a video where the person can teach how you can create a map without using Google Maps API, which cost 200 per month, and as a student is pretty much expensive to buy this things Google API. So I just interested to see the video what actually this person do with this free map API, map CDN actually, to create a map. Okay, so this person can teach how you can track real-time user data with your browser through the local area network. And I think this project is pretty much expensive from the side of backend, so that's why I interested to implement this thing with this GPS project. Okay, and this is the story, and this is how I get the idea to learn this project. First I just only build this GPS module to send a coordinate system using local area network with a fixed IP address to send a coordinate, and I copy and paste the coordinate system to Google Maps and find the pinpoint location as a access point. Okay, then I can change it to the station mode so that I can access the internet at the same time in this project. And then I develop the project. Why just get the coordinates, the longitude and altitude, this type of things? Why not we just create a map? When I input the IP address in the local area network, local area network means every device is connected through a same local network. Okay, local network and wide area network is a basic concept of networking. Okay, so I think you if you see the video, so you know this type of things. Okay, otherwise if you from a different domain, so you can't consider to see this video, right? Okay, so this is the thing. So I just check this module is working, yeah, working or not, and to through developing the final project is come. Okay, so only a normal backend project, normal IoT project everyone can do, but hybrid projects is very rare to do everything. And because of I am a mechanical engineering student and I love computer science and technologies, I learned computers from 2012 with Windows 98. I works with Windows 2000 2000 and Windows XP. Windows XP is my favorite one. Windows 7, Windows Vista. It's not much favorite, but I much favorite my loveliest operating system is Windows 8.1. The styles, the experience is awesome for those early days. And I works on Windows 10, Windows 11, and everyone works this time on that. And now I am a Kali Linux user. So this is the story behind the project. Okay, this is 10 p.m. night India and I just try to check my GPS module is working good or not, so that I just try to collect my coordinate system to the web server hosted by ESP32 microcontroller. Okay, so this time I can create a simple GPS module with ESP32 and it's not dependent any power supply, not connected to any computer or anything like that, and it's a local area network which is completely connected to my mobile hotspot and laptop and without any internet, because of it's a local area network, and local area network no need to connect with internet. So there was a simple GPS module connecting from satellite through the space and collect the coordinate, and this is the coordinate, and we just replace the page and altitude, latitude, longitude, and if we click to the link we get the exact pinpoint where am I. And it's not only using by mobile. If we click, it's a real-time update data. Okay, and if I click the Google Map link so that I can redirect to exact to my home, and this is the place actually. Okay, this is the place actually. Okay, exactly. Not it's a morning time. It's night time. You can see the outside from my home, and you have to write this GPS module at the outside as much as possible to the outside through the room, because it try to connect to the GPS satellite from space. And this is the simple project. Not a simple. It's look like simple, but not too simple. Okay, so this is the thing, and this is the complete code which, and I maintain the every code, every version control system through the GitHub. Okay, and I this time I am working on the Leafletjs to create a customized map, and the repository is this, and every code, every error I get. Okay, so you can find this repository, every code and every error I get. Okay, so you can consider this GitHub repository, every development, and directly download every files from this repository. Okay, so this is normal project, and there are some microcontrollers too. Okay, and this is the thing. If I take this module in my hand, this is the GPS, and at the bottom this is the ESP module, ESP32 module. This is the GPS antenna, and the wire is very long, and this is some lithium batteries which is uh, allowed to works with independently without any power supply. Okay, so this is the complete thing. Thank you. The experiment is successful and my GPS module is working properly, and it can send the coordinate easily, and I just copy the coordinate and paste it in the Google Map, and I can saw my exact pinpoint location. So I just update the project. Why I get the coordinate system? Why not I just replicate a map? Obviously I can replicate the map by Google Map API, but it's expensive, so that I can use a free alternative which called Leafletjs. Okay, now it's 4 a.m. the early morning, and there was a many much error I found in my code in Leafletjs and GPS work. Okay, the GPS coordinate is every time zoom when I update my coordinate system, so that the web page is refreshed every time and again zoom my position, so it's can damage the user experience already. So I fix it through the JavaScript so that the map can't affect it, only the cursor, the point of my location is updated every time through the JavaScript. So with some fixes and add some buttons, and it's look like quite professional. Okay, so now I want to update this project obviously the next day, because now I time to go for sleep. Okay, it's 4 a.m. Okay, so the next I think, why I saw only the GPS module in the map, why not I can saw every user current location data in my map. So let's work on that. If I success, then I continue the project in the next level. कल से मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर काम कर रहा हूँ मेरे इस जीपीएस आईओटी प्लस बैकएंड प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। सो आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो कि मेरा जीपीएस का हमेशा यहाँ पर एक्सेस दे रहा है, पर मैंने इसको इस तरह से सेटअप किया है लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क के साथ कि हर एक यूज़र जो भी इंटर करेगा, जैसे मैं इस पेज को रिफ्रेश करके दिखाता हूँ तो उसको एक नेम पूछेगा। ओके, तो मैं यहाँ पर 1 2 3 दे देता हूँ। ओके, उसके बाद मैं अगर रिफ्रेश करूँगा तो होना क्या चाहिए था कि मोबाइल का जो ब्राउज़र है वो जियो लोकेशन अगर सपोर्ट करता है तो वो लोकेशन कैच करके किसके मदद से, अगर आप are you familiar with backend development like Next.js, so you know the name called socket.io। so इसकी मदद से वो फिर से इस ये जो जो क्या बोलता है, जो वेबसाइट जो वेब सर्वर होस्ट कर रहा है ESP32 माइक्रो कंट्रोलर के साथ, तो उस पर अपडेट करेगा। तो हर एक पर्सन का, हर एक यूज़र का जो इस लोकल एरिया के साथ कनेक्ट करेगा उसको यहाँ पर इस मैप के ब्लू डॉट से दिखाएगा। पर यहाँ पर हुआ क्या कि यहाँ पर जो मॉडर्न ब्राउज़र है वो जो सिक्योर कनेक्शन अगर नहीं होता, मतलब अगर SSH सर्टिफिकेट नहीं होता, तो यहाँ पर कुछ लोकेशन एक्सेस, जियो लोकेशन एक्सेस को डिनाई कर देता है। सिर्फ यहाँ पर मुझे GPS मॉड्यूल ही दिखाएगा। तो तुम बोलोगे कि तुम सेटिंग में जाके डायरेक्टली इसको चेंज कर दो। ओके, मैं सेटिंग्स पे जाता हूँ। ये देखो, यही IP एड्रेस का सेटिंग्स है। तो यहाँ पर मैजिक देखो, लोकेशन का परमिशन यहाँ पर बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ब्लॉक है, मैं इसको मैनुअली चेंज भी नहीं कर पा रहा, बट आई डोंट नो हाउ आई। ओके, ये सो दैट्स वाई आई कैन discontinue this project from there. So if in future I take my mind to update this project, so that I continue the project with the existing phase. So same problem when I also refresh this page in browser, so that's why I can discontinue this project, and the next project is continue with this prismatic effect. Okay, so let's, if I change my mind in future, so the update is coming in this GitHub repository. I also saw the GitHub repository here. Okay, GPS with ESP32. So this is the thing.